Good day, good day, good day. What's up, folks? So I just wanted to show you real quick our new handled sisal hairbrush. It's a little vegan and kosher, not made from boar hair and whatnot. I wanted to show you that real quick while I'm using it on my beard. One of the important things I like about using a brush on my beard is more so the way it exfoliates the skin underneath. Now, does it lay the hairs down beautifully? Yes. My beard, snatched, as they would say, or as the kids would say. Yes, it looks fantastic. Nice glisten to it. But these bristles do an amazing job of making their way all the way down to the skin, and that's the important part because we don't exfoliate our beard hair enough. The skin underneath needs to be exfoliated. That's a good way to get rid of hair bumps, ingrown hairs, and stuff like that. You don't want any eczema underneath because you got to exfoliate, get rid of all that dead skin, no flaky beard, all that stuff. And one of the things when it comes to like a boar hair brush, I found out that if you use a boar hair brush when your hair is wet, it can cause a lot of split ends. This doesn't have that case. So you'll be good using this on a nice wet beard, which I like to do. I don't really dry brush my beard that often. I like to keep it moist. But when I do dry brush my beard, I do it more so to just exfoliate. So right here is a bit of wet and a little bit of dry. So the brush is dry, my face is wet. But as you can see there's a nice lay, a nice glisten. I'm hit the under part as well. That part right there really irritates the hell out of me, simply because that's the part that rubs against stuff all the time. So I'm using that just to make sure I'm getting any of those dead skin cells out of the way, getting rid of all that. So gone, gone, gone. Then I'll come back and lay in one more time. This is more for styling purposes, just to make the beard down, straight, looking very aggressively, Aquaman-y. I want to keep it down, smooth, streamlined. And yeah, I'm just hitting that right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start going on my face. Do a little dry brush on the face, get rid of any dry skin I have. So I just woke up, so I woke up like this. And yeah, just keep brushing, brushing, brushing. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much. Do me a solid favor if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. It actually helps. It helps me out. It buys me like coffee. I don't even drink coffee. I'm lying. I use it for tea money, really. Low budget strip club money, the Monday group. So thank you all so much for helping me, keep my strippers intact. All right. See ya.